Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up the Gift Wrap widget, a simple and powerful feature that lets your customers add gift wrapping to their order directly in the cart drawer. It's a great way to enhance the shopping experience, delight your customers, and encourage them to complete their purchase. Accessing the widget. To access the Gift Wrap widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, then select Cart Drawer. Go to Cart Preferences and choose Gift Wrap. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Professional Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Preferences, Gift Wrap. Here, you can customize all settings. Label icon. Pick an icon to display next to your gift wrap label. Gift wrap product. Select the product that will be used for gift wrapping. Show gift box price. If you want to display gift wrap product price, then enable, otherwise disable that. And that's it. Your gift wrap widget is now ready. Customers can conveniently add gift wrapping to their orders, making their shopping experience smoother and helping you boost conversions. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.